Hello and welcome to Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today, guys, we are going to be making the perfect roasted red potatoes. These delicious and crispy potatoes are a crowd pleaser and are so easy to make with just a simple ingredients and a little bit of time in the oven. You can have a delicious side dish that pairs perfectly with any meal. So sit back, relax, and let's get started on making these irresistible roasted red potatoes. So with this recipe, we are going to use red potatoes. Guys, I love using red potatoes. They are a popular choice for roasting because they have a thin, delicate skin that gets crispy when roasted and a creamy, fluffy texture on the inside. They also have a slightly sweeter taste compared to other potato varieties, which make them a great choice for roasting. Additionally, red potatoes hold their shape well and don't break apart during cooking, making them a great option for a steady side dish. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First things first, we are going to cut the potatoes into quarters and in the same size. Is very important, guys, for several reasons. For even cooking, when potatoes are cut into equal size pieces, they cook at the same rate, which ensures that they are evenly cooked and crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. The next thing, guys, we are going to do, we're gonna go and wash these potatoes. It's very necessary to wash the potatoes after cutting them before roasting them, because potatoes naturally contain starch on the surface, which can cause the potatoes to stick together or becoming gummy during the roasting process. After washing the potatoes, I'll let them sit for 10 minutes in the colander to remove excess water. Next, we are going to season the potatoes. In goes olive oil. Then we're gonna come in with paprika. I love paprika, guys. Now we're gonna go in with black pepper and salt. Now we are going to toss everything together. One thing I like about roasted potatoes, guys, they are highly versatile and can be seasoned with different herbs, spices, and seasonings to suit different tastes and cuisines, making them suitable for a wide range of dishes. Now the potatoes are seasoned. We're gonna let them sit for 10 to 15 minutes. The salt and other seasonings have a chance to penetrate the surface of the potatoes and create a more flavorful dish. However, if you are short on time, guys, you can go ahead and roast the seasoned potatoes immediately. The end result will still be delicious, but allowing the potato to sit can make a difference in the overall taste and texture. Next, grease the baking sheet with a non-stick cooking spray. Then transfer the potatoes to the prepared baking sheet and spread them out in a single layer. The oven is already preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, guys. Now we're gonna roast the potatoes in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until they are golden brown and crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. But one thing we have to do, around 15 minutes mark, we have to remove the potatoes from the oven and flip them. After flipping the potatoes, we're gonna put them back in the oven and cook them for another 10 minutes. Oh, I just pull out the potatoes of the oven, guys. Look how beautiful they look. Golden brown, crispy on the outside. Transfer the potatoes into a bowl. You can serve them, guys, as a side dish with meats, poultry, fish, or can be used as a base for salads and other dishes. They can also be served as a snack or appetizer. Let me show you how they look inside. Look at that, guys. I can't wait to dig in. There you have it, guys. Roasted red potatoes. Garnish with parsley and enjoy. I hope you like this video, guys. Give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.